Hello students, today I bring before you the second part of general errors and their corrections. Students, in the first part we did and learnt the common errors related to articles, definite and indefinite, then tenses. Students, this part will cover the errors of voice, punctuation and nouns. So let's do them one by one. Look at these sentences, students. Incorrect sentence, he was laughed by all. Instead of he was laughed by all, it should be he was laughed at by all. Similarly, second sentence, they are known by us. It should be they are known to us. Ornaments were contained by the box. Ornaments were contained in the box. Fourth sentence, she was shocked by the sad news. She was shocked at the sad news. Fifth one, it is not believed by me. Correct answer is it is not believed in by me. The note says, children, certain verbs such as laugh, shock, believe, these verbs take some prepositions after them which cannot be dropped in the passive voice. Now look at the errors of punctuation and verbs. Look at this sentence, children. What faithless creature we are. Here, without sign of exclamation, the sentence is not correct. The child said, mother, give us sweets. So here, without comma and inverted commas, the sentence does not make any sense and confuses the reader. Uncle Podger hanged the picture badly. Uncle Podger hung the picture badly. Children, this is very common error which is committed by students, and here I will give you the reason and the correct, you will come to know the correct verb and its usage. Look at the next sentence. The murderer was hung. The murderer was hanged. Now read the note, children. This will clarify everything. Hang, hung, hung. It refers to the hanging of picture, maps, quotes, like this. And hang, hanged, hanged. It refers to putting a person to death by putting a rope around the neck and then hanging. Now the sixth sentence, he laid down on the ground. He lay down on the ground. The hen has lain an egg in our courtyard. The hen has laid an egg. Lay, laid, laid. This is how the three forms of verb are. He was casted into prison for a month. Students, cast has similar forms of all three verbs, cast, cast and cast. Similarly, in case of put and cut, all three forms of the verb are same. Look at the next example. The news was broadcasted late in the evening. So it is the news was broadcast. Next is she cutted her finger. You know it very well, children. I told you just now. Cut and put. All three verbs are similar. Next is we did not heard the news. We did not hear the news. And please take note of this thing, children. Do, does, did. They take first form of the verb. Students, next picture shows the errors of verbs and nouns. 12th sentence, she awaked me up. It should be she woke me up, because three forms of wake are wake, woke, woken. I awaked early. Correct is I awoke early. For awoke, it is awake, awoke, awoke or awaked. Okay. 14th sentence, he stank of alcohol. He stank of alcohol. This is very common mistake students usually make. So three forms of stink are stink, stank, stunk, not stanked. Sentence 15, students. Measles are an infectious disease. Because measles has S in the end doesn't mean that it's a plural. It's a disease. Its name is measles. So measles is an infectious disease. Same way, mathematics are a useful subject, and you know it very well that mathematics has S in the end. Though it's a subject, but we write it mathematics is a useful subject. Sparrows by K.A. Abbas reflect the evils with which our society is ridden. Now sparrows is plural, but it is title of the book. So here we will write it like this. Sparrows by K.A. Abbas reflects the evils with which our society is ridden instead of reflect. 18th sentence. Sheep is grazing on the meadows. Sheep are. Plural of sheep is also sheep. Kettle is used to man in many ways. Kettle is useful to man in many ways. Kettle are useful to man in many ways. Furniture is made of wood. Furniture is made of wood. Students, there is difference between woods and wood. Woods means forest and wood here the material. Next sentence. He is taking pain with his lessons. He is taking pains with his lesson. Students, in this next picture, look at this sentence 22. The poet stopped by wood on a snowy evening. The poet stopped by woods. So here just now I told you woods means forest and wood is the name of a material. 23rd sentence. I have pains in my stomach. Here instead of pains we will write pain. Right? Pains means hard work. If it is pains, it means hard work, labor, and pain means that unpleasant feeling. 24th sentence says 100 rupees for this chair are too much. But instead of this, we will write the correct sentence is 100 rupees for this chair is too much, because 100 rupees here is a singular. Next sentence is one of those boys lost their bicycle. Correct answer is one of those boys lost his bicycle. One should do his duty. One should do one's duty. Everyone was present. Everyone were present is wrong. Everyone was present is correct. Here everyone is singular. The get-up of these books are not impressive. The correct answer, the get-up of these books is not impressive. Here the verb is for the get-up, not for the books. 19th, no one can get a house of their choice. Here, no one can get a house of his or her choice. 20, no one will pass if they do not work. No one will pass if he or she does not work. It should be does not work. So here we are done with the second part of this presentation. Students, third part of the presentation will contain errors of prepositions which will be presented to you very soon. In the end, you can see an assignment. Answers of the assignments are also given, but I would want you to attempt them first on your own, and for reference you may consult the answer key. Thank you, students.